Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome to the English Quotex Guide YouTube channel. So hope you enjoy the videos, the previous video, and you learn something from that video. So today our topic is how to create the account in Quotex platform. Okay, so I will teach you step by step how we can create trading account in Quotex platform. So I will create the account on my own link because I have my own link, and the own link benefit is for the member is free advanced level course, daily advanced signal, daily live sessions, okay, and weekly giveaway. So when you want to make an account, so inbox me, I will send you this my link, and you can click here. You see here, you see 1414651. When you click that, you will get that page like that interface. Okay, so there you have to click sign up. Okay, sign up, put your country. I will put that Pakistan, and currency you have to select USD. Okay, USD, and put your email. Let me put my email, then I will show you. Okay, when you put the email or Gmail, but you have to make a new Gmail for your account. In one Gmail you can create only one account at once time. Okay, when you create account on one Gmail and then you delete that account, so you cannot make the same Gmail for the new account. You have to make a new account. So remember that in the Quotex platform you have to use only one Gmail for one account, okay, for the lifetime. So when we put the Gmail and password, then you click on the registration. Okay, so you will get this interface like that. Okay, this one you can continue next. Let me check. Next, again, next, again, next, and you can close this thing. No, close all the things. So here we have you can see upside there we have two type of accounts. One, the live account where we put the real money, and the one is demo account. In demo account they give you $10,000. It's fake money. Okay, it's a fake money, but you can trade on that money, you can practice on that money, and where you find how you put the trade. Here the balance. Okay, here you can put your investment amount. Okay, so this is you can increase or decrease, but my advice for you beginners, you just when you trade on the real money and you are beginners, so just only trade on $1. Okay, not above from $1. Okay, only $1. And there is the time you have to select only 1 minute. Okay, this when you click on this you have select this first one. Okay, so now the time is already selected for our trade, but it's not. So I think it's here the support line, but maybe it will be breakout or something like that. But leave it. It's a fake money, no problem. Okay. So let me check. Yeah, it should be closed upside or downside. I don't know. Yeah, upside it's winning. Okay, so you can trade like that. Okay, and the I have timing because I put that's right. It's okay. It's no problem. So here you can come here. You can select the pairs. Where in the OTC market is 24/7. Okay, 24/7. It's active. Okay, so there lot of pairs, live pairs only, live pairs, you can see there's no front side. OTC market over the counter, the broker is handle this pairs by itself. Okay, so here the crypto, you can trade on crypto coins. Here's this another thing, you can brand like that gold, you can trade on this stocks market. You can select any pairs, you can select, just trade on that, but remember, don't over trading. Okay, don't over trading. So when you put the real money, just put $1 trade. Okay, and the 1 minute candle. Okay, 1 minute, not above from the 1 minute. Here you can find everything that I will teach you in the coming classes. Okay, here everything, but just this is the only for how to making a create account. The main thing is here when you come to the accounts, so you have to verify your documents. Okay, you have to verify your documents. Click on the first, you have to verify your you have to put the name here. What's your name, last name, your date of birth, but the correct one what you have in the ID card. So you have to put that the name and the date of birth. Okay, so here you can put your own home address, and the country is also selected, but just send in the you have to verify these two things. One the documents you need to fill identity information before verification your profile. You have to fill this first one, then you have to click on the recent, then you will get one link on in your same email or Gmail, then you will click on that. Okay, so it will be verified, and it's showing verified green. Okay, then you will verify your documents. Okay, you have to put your own documents, remember this, you put only your own documents when you verify. So you will be registered or verify with the Qoutex Trading platform. Okay, so then you can trade in real money, but before investing your real money, just try a demo for 1 week and try to understand what I'm teaching you in the classes, so you will check that. Okay, so the deposit and withdrawal, if you don't understand, so you can ask me in inbox, or I will make a video on this. So this is today what we get in this class. So hope you understand, and see you tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.